guys, welcome back to my channel, and this episode of RCB TV is going to be a wig review. So if you're interested on learning all the specs for this 24-inch lace front wig, yes y'all, just keep watching. Alright, that was weird. Just keep watching. It sounded like real robotic. Just keep watching. Nah, but for real, if you want to know the specs and everything for this wig, just keep watching. Please ignore the jail cell walls in my room. You know, in Hawaii they have a different kind of decor, okay? Totally ignore it. Anyway, let's get to the wig review. Okay, you guys, so I'm super excited to announce this is from the Queen Collection lace front wigs, and this is a 24-inch. Yes, baby. Let me show you. Don't worry, I'm gonna get up. Don't you worry. This is 24 inches. 24 inches. You can't really see. Hold on. 24 inches. Yeah, so this is 24 inches, and this is our Indian straight. I just went through it with wand curls, so that's why it's like a little bit of wave, but honestly I didn't do big wand curls. I did small wand curls. But yeah, okay, so let me get into the specifics of the hair. So this is a 24-inch. This is a 13x6 frontal. Is this too sexy? You know, I'm just trying to take an Instagram picture, but it might just be a little sexy. It's okay, because I'm saved. Listen, this is a 13x6 frontal. It came but no, it comes pre-plucked. Honestly, next time I probably won't even bleach the knots because they didn't need that much bleaching. I'll probably just tint it with my foundation or something like that. But yeah, it has about 3 combs, one in the back, 2 on the side. I did add an elastic band because my head just the way it's shaped, I just need that extra security, girl. So I added an extra strap, yes I did, to the inside so that it's super secure, and I feel good about that. Usually I wear the hair like wavy, so I'll put like wand curls in it, but it looks bomb straight. I'll insert a picture. I went and judged the Miss Hawaii USA pageant, and I wore it straight, and it was cute. It was cute, okay? It was cute. If you thought it was cute, if you think it was cute, if you think I look cute, girl, comment down below. You right, you look cute. Okay, I don't want to toot my own horn, but okay, but anyway, moving on. But yeah. Yeah, I love the hair. This is Indian. This is 180 density. The wigs go up to 250 density. So if you want a fuller look, fuller effect, I would go for the 250 density. But if you like your hair to be around this, if you like your hair to be around this volume, then I would definitely go for the 180. This is still really cute to me. I'll put all the hair on one side. And I still absolutely like adore this hair. It's super easy to maintain. I've washed and conditioned it a bunch of times now. Honestly, what I want to do next is, and I might just film this if y'all want to see it, I'm going to dye the hair and I'm going to cut it. You need to cut it. So I want to cut the hair, I want to dye it, I want to do all that. I want to do extra, I want to do everything. I want to give you guys everything. So that's what I want to do next, but I wanted to come on here and make a video review so you can see it in its natural state before I alter it. This needs to be washed, so this is kind of like right before I wash it, but don't worry about that, it's still cute. But yeah, this is the Queen Collection. This is a lace front wig. It is not a 360 wig, it's a lace front, so it's completely lace in the front, and then it's tracks in the back. And absolutely love the hair. I have no complaints at this moment. I've been wearing it for a couple of weeks now, and yeah, like that's about it. I have another video, either I have another video or by the time y'all watch this, there's already a video of me customizing this frontal. So if it's done, okay, follow me. I don't want to lose you. if the video's done, because I don't know when I'm posting this, look in the description box down below. And before you look in the description box, go ahead and like this video. Huh? Come on. In the name. Go ahead and like this video. Don't play yourself. Don't play with me. Don't play with God. That's 2 rules that I live by. Don't play with me. Don't play with God. Okay? Play with your kids. Okay? That's not important. Listen, this is the end of the hair review. I know you were like, she's chatting. I am chatting. I love this wig, and you can find all the details for this wig down below. How to purchase, where to purchase, how to send one to your friend, your girlfriend, your mother, your father's mother, all of that. So thanks for watching, and I will be back with another hair video very soon. That was weird. Bye.